Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice maker assembly in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4" and a 5/16" nut drivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice maker assembly. This ice maker assembly is located inside the left side refrigerator door behind the ice box door. It's designed to produce ice cubes on demand. If your ice maker stops making ice, it's time to check it and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the left side door. Now we're going to pull on this lever and open the ice bucket door. Next, I'm going to remove the ice bucket. I'm going to use my both hands, lift it up a little bit, and pull it out. Next, we need to remove this cover. I'm going to take out single 1/4" screw. I'm going to use a nut driver, and it's, as far as I remember, that's quite a long screw. So be ready to do a little unscrewing here. There you go. Now we need to take out this 5/16" screw here at the bottom that actually holds the ice maker. I'm going to press in the lever and use the 5/16" nut driver. I'm going to unscrew this. Next, I'm going to remove this cover. I'm going to put it down, and we need to disconnect these two plugs. Squeeze these two tabs. And then the second one. And now we can lift up the ice maker and remove it. This is the old ice maker assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So new ice maker is coming in, so we're gonna hook it up. These two brackets goes over these two tabs. Now we're gonna secure it with the 5/16" screw at the bottom here. I'm going to press in the lever. And now we're going to connect these two plugs. And we're going to install the cover. It just slides in there. Push it in. We're going to secure it with that long 1/4" screw. Now the ice bucket goes back in. And slide it in, lift it up a little bit, push it in, and press it down. Now we can close the door and latch the lever. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.